Look at that, look at that beautiful Jetta 6. Very nice. Midnight blue. Alloy wheels, 1.4 psi. Leather seats. Airbags. Panoramic sunroof. Moonroof. DSG gearbox. Electric doors. Windows. Side mirrors. About 50,000 kilometers. Very big boot. There's spare wheel tools. It's got some scratches here in the rear left. This scratch is not a big dent. This is a bit paint off. Could be fixed with a small touch-up. Very neat and clean. Very smooth engine. It's a 16 size tire. Again, Jetta 6. Sunroof, moonroof, leather seats, full option steering control. It's got everything.